Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 7 students. Our today's topic, creative questions 15 and 16. Okay, let's see. Our today's class 7, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies. Topic creative questions 15 and 16, term manual, lecture 19, SW, no SW. Teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari, mobile number, this is my mobile number, and today's date 25/10/20. So, topic today's class 7, topic creative questions 15 and 16, annual term, lecture 19. Chapter 13, creative questions 15. A great number of people of our country are immigrants. They are also taking part in overall development of the country. Moreover, their families are leading prosperous life. So, number one, number question is, what is remittance? Number B, what do you mean by prosperous life? Number C, if you become an immigrant, how will you take part in the development programs of the country? Number D, how can the government make the people skilled? Explain. Answer to the question number 15. Number A question is, what is remittance? Answer, a remittance is a transfer of money by an immigrant from a foreign country to someone of his or her native country. Number B question is, what do you mean by prosperous life? Answer, the life in which no hunger, poverty exists and people are safe, live peacefully is called prosperous life. Moreover, all types of facilities such as safe water, pollution-free environment, proper sanitations are existing in prosperous life. Number C question is, if you become an immigrant, how will you take part in the development programs of the country? Answer is, now I am a student of class 7 of a school in the capital. Our school is determined to import us qualitative educations. So we are learning how to apply our knowledge in real life. The way we are being taught will make us skilled people. However, I have an intention to go abroad as there are few chances to utilize our knowledge in our country. Obviously, I will go abroad on education's purpose. I have known that our educational certificate is not valued in most of the foreign countries. So, I will complete my MA or PhD from a foreign country and do a job over there, and I will earn much money. I will send money to my father in village, which is a remote village. I will establish schools, colleges in my villages to educate children and young. When the light of education will spread, all kinds of development will be implemented. This is my plan about developing the country. We will move to next page, number D. Question is, how can the government make the people skilled? Explain. Answer, our country, Bangladesh, is a developing one. Many sectors are yet to develop. In this regard, skilled populations is the most important component to facilitate rapid progress. There are many ways to make people skilled, and education is prior to all ways. So the government will have to make sure that our education is qualitative, because qualitative education teaches us how to realize our learned outcomes in practical life, as well as what to do in the new situations. Besides, the government can train the adult people in their respective fields. Not only that, they can be made familiar with the modern scientific technologies too. Moreover, the government and other organizations will have to create huge opportunities or work fields so that these people exert their skills. And if it is possible, a trend will be formed of people to be skilled. As a result, these skilled people will work for the country, and consequently the country will move forward. Creative question 16. There are many seas and oceans in the world. They are full of sea animals, gases, oil, and many other animals, as well as mineral resources. The conservation of biodiversity has to be ensured. We can do many development activities through proper use and presentations of them. So here a full stop will be given, and W will be capital. Number A, write the name of 5 sea animals. Number B, write some uses of mineral resources. Number C, how can we do development activities through proper use of gas in our country? Number D, the conservation of biodiversity has to be ensured. Explain. Answer to the question number 15. Number A, question is write the names of 5 sea animals. Answer. 5 sea animals are whale, dolphin, seal, octopus, and squid. Number B, write some uses of mineral resources. Answer. Use of mineral resources. Number 1, minerals like iron, sodium, potassium, etc. are used in medicine. Number 2, graphite is used in making pencils, electrodes, etc. Number 3, minerals like gypsum, zinc, sulfur are used in agriculture. Number 5, minerals like uranium, plutonium are used for power generations. Number C, question is, how do we do development activities through proper use of gas in our country? And C, answer, it is assumed that there is a possibility of getting natural gas to a huge degree in Bangladesh. So the government is looking into many places across the country for gas. Gas can be used in many ways. We'll move to next page. Number 1, gas is the main element to produce electricity, and electricity plays a crucial part to develop a country. There is no such a field where electricity is absent. Number 2, gas is used to cook food and drive vehicles. It reduces the fuel cost. Number 3, it is widely used in industries. Nowadays, industry cannot be imagined without gas. Industries are one of the key factors to make a country developed. Number 4, it can be exported and bring a huge foreign currency. In fact, we do not find any sector where gas is not used directly or indirectly. Number D, answer. Question is, the conservation of biodiversity has to be ensured. Explain. Answer. There are many kinds of terrestrial and aquatic animals and plants in the world. From them, we the human beings are getting life survival components such as oxygen, a huge variety of foods, medicines, etc. Not only that, but also they maintain ecological balance of the government. So we must ensure the conservation of this biodiversity for our interest. Nowadays, it is noticeable that a group of people are hunting wild animals, cutting down trees or forests. As a result, wild animals' trees are getting decreased, and consequently, many of them are being extinct. Besides, there are many water vehicles playing in rivers, seas, oceans, where waste material of these vehicles are thrown into. At this, these water bodies are contained and result in the extinction to many useful lives underwater. All these things create harmful effects on the environment. In these circumstances, we all should be aware of these matters and results. We have to prevent cutting down trees, hunting animals of forest. Also, we have to keep the water bodies free from contamination. At the same time, we must not destroy animal resources while pitting off mineral resources. If we are unable to maintain the conservation of biodiversity, our existence on the earth will be threatened. So, no SW today, my dear students. So, my dear students, that's all for today. Keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.